All right, so now what we can do is go in the barn and finish up that floor pan. I've got everything I need to do to finish up the floor pan itself, and I can even install it in the truck. But the problem is I don't have my fittings. I have to get those this week when I go to work. There's a place down there in Grand Rapids I'll have to go to get them. Otherwise, I found some online, but their wording is just so different than what I'm used to. So I'd rather try this place down in Grand Rapids that I didn't try Saturday or yesterday. Wished I would have now, but they ain't open today, so I couldn't check them today when I went down there to my cigar shop. But yeah, anyway. So I got some drill bits, and I got this one here. That's what I'm gonna use to drill my holes. I gotta mark it so it's dead center, because this has got to be dead center. There it is, dead center. All right, I can see where the center is. Yep, that one's dead center, that one's dead center. This one's off a little bit, that one's off. But at least now I can see right where the center's at. So how about we go drill these holes out? Then we can do the ones over here. See, we're gonna drill these out now, and then that'll be set for this one. That one's gonna go there. All right, and then once we get them drilled out, I'm gonna drill out the holes for this one. All right, let's go. Gotta take this drill out. Now I know you can't see my beautiful face, but that's not what you're here to see anyway. You're here to see me drill these holes. So we're gonna drill these holes. I've never used one of these pyramid looking drill bits. I've heard nothing but good things about them, so. I wish I had a light over here. There you go. You know what? I'm gonna get me another piece of wood. I forget where I'm at. Alright, so we don't need no more wood. We just need to loosen this up. And bring it up. About there. Tighten that back up. There we go. Jeez, Jason. Gotta make things difficult. Alright, here we go. I don't like the way this hole's going. It's going cattywampus. Dadgummit. check these out before I go any further. What the hell? Yeah. Bottom line, not gonna fit through that hole or this hole. We gotta go bigger till it does. Now what I do with that? I need to go get my glasses. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Got my regular reading glasses on now, so let's set you back up. I gotta make this one a little bit bigger. Should have brought them fittings with me, that way I wouldn't have to keep walking over here. Once these fit, I'm good. Do it. I'll leave them there. All right, let's go mark these other holes. I gotta figure out a way to get these straighter. There you go. Oh, don't you tip over now. I'm just moving you back. What's the problem? I know why people pay camera people. That ain't me, so I ain't doing it. Anyway, all right, let's do this. We're gonna get this done today, one way or another. We'll get these holes drilled out. We'll put it in place, and then I'll paint that other. Oh, I don't even know why I did that. That's so stupid. This is not the one that we need. We need this one. Got my new sensor in there. Gotta take it out. Gotta take all these out. And they're in there tight, so let's go over to the vise, get these out of here. gotta drill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes in this one. Hold on. Seriously. One, two, missing one, so we can put that in there. All right. Oh, come on, seriously. Let's do it the way I like to do it in the first place. Yeah, I'm glad I got them U-bolts tightened up. Don't matter. That's weird. Because I was concerned about that. I thought it was like 350 pounds per square inch of pressure, but I decided to look it up and 300. So I knew my torque wrench could do it. The hard part was figuring out how to get the muscle, not the muscle per se, but the holy crap, that one's on there tight. Oh, I got this. Where are the the ratchets for this thing? All right, here's a ratchet. Oh, is that a 9/16 I'm seeing right there? That is amazing. Oh. I already had this out of here once. Oh, come on. Let's put this one. There we go. All right. How to get the man, I can't think of the word, but the way I set myself up where I could actually push the torque wrench with my foot took me about 30 seconds to figure it out, but I got it figured out. All right, let's go over there and mark these holes with a pencil and hope for the best, because I got to get these more centered. That is for sure. All right. I don't think it matters, but I'm going to do it like this anyway. Need to be able to see through the dang. Oh yeah. Do it like I did last time. I can't see down in there. There we go. Yeah, this is gonna be a little difficult. This might be the problem. I'm setting up myself for failure in the first place because I ain't. What the hell did I do with that damn screw I just had? Jeez Louise. Come on now. Of course I ain't got my... Should be centered. That ain't fucking center. I don't know what the hell it is. Dadgummit, we're going with it. We're going with it. I'm tired of messing with it. First, I'm gonna... Well, there you go. You see my bad job, right? That's bad. It'll work, though. It'll work. Because remember, this is sitting on top of the block, so you gotta... I don't know how to show it to you. I guess under here. Let me see. This is the wrong block. Here's the right block. All right, so I'll put this on there as best I can to give you an idea. I think I already showed you this, but see, it's a little wallered out. But they're still sitting on top of that aluminum, so we're good. So let's go do these holes now. Oh. Now we can put this in the truck, man. I'll be glad when this is done. Only because it's taking a lot of my brain power. Come on, camera, react. There you go. All right. I wish I had a little more light over here. That's for damn sure. All right. Let's do this one. it right there. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna grab. I already grabbed it, didn't I? It's right here. Alright, let's see what we're looking like thus far. There it is, right there. There it is, right there. Oh yeah, we good. A little off on that first one. And I have to water that one out a little bit. Second one looks good. If I just keep finding that damn center, that's the hard part. So the tip's not perfectly round. I guess, you know what, let me try this. Let me get a hammer and a damn, shit, what do you call it? Punch. Yeah, we get a punch here with a tip on it. Oh, that's got a good tip. Maybe if I make a damn punch in it, it'll work better. Oh, come on, man. Do 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 do. Well, I have to put you, mother scratcher. Oh, that ain't gonna work. I'll put you over here. You can at least see what you're doing. I'm gonna punch a mark in the center of these things, and hopefully that'll be much better. That looks good. Good. All right, we're gonna give that a shot, see what happens. Do-da, 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 day. Bring you back over here. Set you back up again. That's probably good right there. I mean, how much is it focused? Is it even focused? All right, let's drill these out. What the? I want to see if why'd my light go out? That burnt. Well, I tell you, if it ain't one daggum thing, it's another. Nope, wrong way. All right, we're gonna try lining these up again, see what happens. after every one. All right. We're still getting kitty wampus. Catty wampus. That first one's gonna have to be watered out. I don't understand why they keep pulling this way. I gotta check my light. Got 3 more holes to drill. Go over here in the light so I can see. Oh, I didn't move you last time. All right, we know we're good. They're not terrible. Dadgum screw. That's what I need. Where's my... Tired of this dumb shit. Oh hell, if you're gonna do it right, dummy. Do it right. Otherwise, don't do it at all. I'm gonna have to water that one out. That one, that one, that one, all of them. Man, it just pisses me off. Gonna have that one there too, big time. Son of a biscuit. I want to put this one up there too. I forgot the lock washers. Idiot. Fucking idiot. Come here, dummy. What the flying flipping? Oh man. Oh yeah, I'm back. All right, so hardware store is open till 6 today. This is Saturday. And they're open again tomorrow from 10 p.m. to 3 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I'm good. Wife's gone. She went to Cedar. So I'm not gonna. I could run my bike down there, but I can just go tomorrow. Yeah, so I need to I need to get the garage, the barn cleaned up. Let's do that, shall we? So I'm done in here. Oh, I'd never showed you guys this. All right, this right here. This is my turbo exhaust pipe. Problem with it is you can see that little bend in it I got right there. Yep, it's not going to work that way for my setup. I need to cut it down. Well, I need to cut that bend off there. So I got a line drawn. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can. I can't tell what you can see it, but there's a black line I got drawn all the way around it. I'm going to cut it right there. So I got 10 inches of straight pipe coming off the turbo, and then that'll hook to my Y that's in the back of the truck. And I already got it figured out how I'm going to do everything. So, of course, I ain't got everything figured out, but I got most of it figured out. So I know I need to cut that off. Hey, everybody. Hey, I just thought I'd give you an update. Sorry I ain't been back yet. Well, for you, it ain't been nothing, but just wanted to give you an update what's going on. I'm headed to the hardware store. I got to get a couple bolts for that so we can finish up that floor. Part 3 coming up. I got to turn right here, and I'm waiting on the traffic. I don't know what that guy's doing because he ain't got a fucking blinker on, so fuck him. Oh. So anyway, yeah, so I'm headed to the hardware store to get a couple bolts, and just wanted to end this video for the day, so I didn't want to leave you hanging there. We got that frame all painted up. It's good to go. I'll bring you back when I install the shock and put that tire on. So you just hang tight. I'll see you soon.